Hi everyone. Welcome to the semester and the start of Human Growth and Development. My name is Alice Thomas and I am your instructor for this semester for this online class. So as you can see in the background here, I have sort of an introductory page. This is the one you should be seeing. Here's my picture, my photo, and a welcome message. I want to let you know that I'm trying not to overload people through the semester, but trying to give you some key information. So if you read the things that are here, that will really help you in getting through the semester. That said, please do contact me with any questions that you might have. I'll try and clarify and get the information out to everyone. This piece is a little bit about our textbook. And you can purchase the textbook at the bookstore, and it is a loose leaf, and it also includes, here's the textbook, an access code to Launchpad, the publisher material. So I'm going to mention this piece again here in just a minute and how to use it. If you scroll down, here's week one. Week one has a couple of links, a checklist to getting started, and an example of the first assignment, which is a discussion. You need to get that discussion, get yourself into the discussion, participate in order to not be dropped for non-attendance. So there's a little bit of information about that. January 28th for the spring semester is an important date. Okay, so I'm going to scroll back up here and really click on course materials and content. We'll take a quick clip there. It's really the purpose of this video today. So if you click on getting started, you will see information, my expectations, kind of the key tools that I use this semester. It's an excellent place to make sure you read. Launchpad is the name of the publisher material. So back to this particular item again. So publisher material has ebook, has videos, has quizzing, has interactive activities. You can use the ebook kind of on the go if you have a portable device. A lot of good tools there, and my students have used it in the past to help them prepare for quizzes. So if you open this particular item here, you'll see there's kind of a gray area off to the left, and if you scratch that off, that's where you have your access code. So you would click on this link here and then put in your access code, and that would get you into all of those different materials. Moving along the left-hand side again, in the content tab, you'll see, or the content list of tabs, you'll see research paper. You don't need to get into that quite yet, but very soon. And if you want to read over it now, you're welcome to. There have been a few little adjustments to it, so I might be fine-tuning it a bit in these first few weeks. So then there are 4 units in this particular course, so we'll be starting Unit 1 this week, and so right now I'm going to click on Week 1. Prenatal development, so it goes January 22nd through 26th. So let me show you really, really quickly how I generally set things up. So I give you the reading for the week, and sometimes either a pic photo or a short video here. The what have you learned questions, I give you those, you can print those out, they help you study, and PowerPoint. So those are 3 key things: reading, what have you learned questions, and PowerPoints, and they work together to give you really solid foundation of what we're doing for the week. So please take notes on that information, because that will really help you when you get to your quizzing. And then typically you're going to see a discussion. Most weeks have a discussion. Not every week, but about 2/3 of them. And I give you my expectations in order to earn full points, and then I get into the discussion itself. So this week it's about the Lifeline, which is kind of a neat activity or discussion activity that I ask for you to do. So I give you a lot of instruction here about how to do it, and then I give you an example. So I have my own Lifeline example for you to go ahead, click on, and usually what students do is they erase my material and use that template to put in their own material and then post it into the discussion. So that's all I wanted to cover. I thank you for your time, and good luck in this first week. I look forward to getting to know you.